Okay, welcome back. We are in our last session. We have finished this much, the conversion of numbers. Now we'll see some more codification system. One of them is BCD. This is binary coded decimal. Here all the decimal numbers are converted into binary and grouping the binary numbers in 4 digit. For example, 9 is 1009. In BCD also it is 100. Just 1 minute. 1009. Number 10 in binary it is 1010. In BCD 1 is written 00301 and 0 is 4 zeros. 15 is 1 and 5 like that. So this is one number system, that's BCD on code, BCD code. This is binary coded decimal. Now next we will see, this most important is ASCII code. ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Because what happens, we don't only represent numerals in computer. We need numerals, we need characters, we need special symbols like greater than, less than, equal to. We need capital alphabets, we need small alphabets. So many combinations of characters are used in computer. So how we do it? So how we do it? So that is why ASCII code has come. This is the 7-bit code to represent data in computer. 7-bit code is like this. For example, like this. You see, A is written 1, 5 zeros and 1. B is written 1, 4 zeros and 10. 4 is written 0 double 1. See, and then 0 1 0 0 like that. Similarly, plus number is written like this. Greater than number symbol is written like this. Now how will you get this ASCII codes? There is ASCII table. In the table is given in your book also. You have to read like this. You see, this is a least significant bit. This is the next number, then this is the next number, then third number, 4th, 5th, 6th. So if you write A, if you want to write A, you have to write 100 and 0001. 100 and 0001. So what we have done, 100 0001 is the A. Okay. If you want to write greater than symbol, you will write 011, 011 and 110. What have you written? 011 110. This is the greater than number symbol and written in ASCII. So ASCII table is very important in computer system. Now let us see the arithmetic on binary number. Arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division can be performed on binary numbers. As we have seen, we do this operation of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division on your decimal number. We know that we will already know that, we learned it. And how we use these operations, use these operators on binary number. Let us see. Before we go for addition, here are some basic rules we should remember. For example, we know that binary number has only two digits. One is 0, one is 1. So suppose number A and B are two numbers. This is 0, 0. What are the combinations? 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. These are combinations. Now add these two numbers. 0 plus 0 is 0. There is no carry forward. Result is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. No carry forward. Result is 1. 1 plus 0 is also 1. No carry forward. Result is 1. But 1 plus 1 is 10. 1, 0. So the sum is 0. Carry is 1. The final number is 1. So this table you have to remember before we go for any arithmetic operation on binary number. The examples are there. Let us add. See, this is decimal 11. This is decimal 12. So in this 11 is written like this in binary. This is third position to the power 3. There is 8. Then this is 2. 8 and 2 plus 2 is 10. And this is 1. It's 11. And this is 12 in binary. 8 plus 4, 12. Now we add it. In addition, while adding this decimal number, we know this result is 23. How it is added here? So 1 plus 0, that is 1. 1 plus 0, that is again 1. 0 plus, that is 1. Now 1 plus 1 is 0 and carry is 1. So this is your binary addition of these two numbers. Now how is 23? You see, this is first position, this is second, this is third, fourth position. So 2 to the power 4. That means 16. And 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power 2. No, on it. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 to the power 4 means 16. Then 2 to the power 2 means 4. 16 plus 4 is 20. 2 to the power 1 is 2. 22. And this is 1. 23. So this result is right. Nice. This is okay. This is another example. 0, 1, 0, 1 and 1, 1, 1, 1. Now let's add it. 1 plus 1 is 0. Carry is 1. Now 1 plus 1 is 0, but 1 is carry, so it will become again 0. Now 1 plus this carry is 1. Now 1 plus 1 is 0 and that 1 is there. So it is becoming 1 again. Carry is 1. 1 plus 1 is 0. Carry is 1. So this is the addition of binary numbers. Now how is 20? Is 2 to the power 4. That is 16. 2 to the power 2 is 4. That is 16 plus 4 is 20. So in this way binary numbers are added. There are two bits only. They are added like this. We have written regular decimal number to us to understand, for a better understanding. Now see, let us see now subtraction. Again this table you have to remember for binary subtraction. Number A and number B. All combinations are written 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. Now 0 minus 0 is difference is 0, no borrow. 0 minus 1, difference is 1, 1 borrow. This is a bigger number. Now 1 minus 0 is difference is 1, no borrow. 1 minus 1 is difference is 0, there is no borrow. is the binary subtraction. Here what you have to see, let us example is 1011 and minus 0110. Now 1011, basically this is 11 and 0110 is 6, so that is 5. Let us see how we have subtracted 1 minus 0, that is 1. 1 minus 1, that is 0. 0 minus 1, that is 1, carry is 1. That 1 minus that carry becomes 0. This is 0. This is nothing but 5. This is binary number 0101 means 5. So 11 minus 6 becomes 5. Okay. This is your subtraction, binary subtraction. One more thing, and this one important thing is that in binary number, or rather subtraction can be done through addition. How will you do it? Subtractions from one number, the subtraction of one number from another number can be done through addition. That we will see in binary subtraction system how it is done. Before that, we should know the one's complement. One's complement means any binary number is converted to one's complement by replacing 0 by 1 and 1 by 0. In one's complement, 1 is replaced by 0 and 0 by 1. For example, 0101, this is a binary number. What is one's complement? That is 0 is become 1, 1 has become 0, the 0 has become 1, 1 has become 0. This is a one's complement of the binary number. Now how we will use this one's complement in subtraction, that we'll see now. Let us consider this number 0111. Basically this number is nothing but 7 in decimal and 0101 number is basically nothing but 5. What we will do? How we will subtract this number with using one's complement? This number 0101 we have converted to one's complement 1010. So instead of subtraction, what we are doing is adding this number. What I have done, 1 plus 0, that is 1. 1 plus 1, that is 0, carry is 1. That 1 and this 1 means 0 again, carry is 1. That 1 and this 1 is 0 and carry is 1. So carry generated, so add to the sum. What carry generated is in one's complement, what carry comes that you have to add to the sum. So we have added this number. One number is added at, so 1 plus 1 is 0. Carry 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. Then 0 has come out, 0 has come. The carry already we have taken here. So in final result there is no carry, so this number is positive. And result is 2. 7 minus 5 is 2 only. So by this way we can do subtraction basically by addition with one's complement. What is the next one? Okay, same number again we are doing. Now what we are doing is, this is number 5, this is number 7. No, this is number 5 and this number is, what is number is? 1 minute, just Yeah, this number is 7. So what we have done, this number instead of this subtraction what we are doing through 1's complement. So we made it 1's complement, 0 has become 1 and all the 1 has become 0. Now add it, this number, instead of subtraction we add it 1 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 1. So this is the result of the 1's complement. There is no carry generated after addition, so the number is negative number. If carry generated, that gets added and number becomes positive. Then when there is no carry, the number is negative and the result is in 1's complement. So you have to forget that actual result, this number you have to convert to the original number. That means the 1's complement, you convert it again 1 to 0, 1 to 0, 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. The final result is 0 0 1 0 minus. Is nothing but 2. So 5 minus 7 is 2 minus 2. I think this is clear for 1's complement subtraction. Okay, this is another confusion. This is 2's complement. Now 2's complement means 1 is added with 1's complement. Okay, this is not a very complicated issue. It's simple. In first number you convert it to the 1's complement and add 1 to that. So if you have a number 0 1 0 1, you make it 1's complement 1 0 1 0, then add 1 to it to get its 2's complement. So now number is converted into 2's complement. Let us see how to use this number for subtraction. Again we have to have the same number, 7 minus 5. 7 is as it is written, but this number is written to the 2's complement. That means this 1's complement is 1 0 1 0. You added to that 1's complement, 1 is added to that, so it has become 1 0 1 1. Okay, now add it. Instead of subtraction we are adding the number 1 1 0, carry is 1, 1 1 0 and 1 is there, this 1 has come. Now 1 is carry again, 1 plus 1 is 0, third is 0, carry is 1, that 1 and this 1 is 1, this 1 and that 1 is 0 and carry is 1. Now what we have done was first the binary number is converted to 1's complement, then 1 is added, it is become 2's complement. Now added these two numbers. Now the carry is generated after addition, so number is positive and finally carry is discarded. So 2's complement, after adding the numbers, if there is a carry you have to discard it. If this carry is there, number is positive. That is the next number, next example. What we have done here, it is 5 minus 7. So 5 is 0 1 0 and we keep it as it is. 7 0 1 1 1 we have converted to the 1 0 0 0. 1's complement. 1 is added with that, so it has become 1 0 0 1. Now add these two numbers, 1 plus 1, that is 0, carry is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1. So this is a result of addition. Now what is the final result? Now you see, after addition the carry is not generated after addition, so result is negative. The result will be negative based on conclusion, and the number is in 2's complement form. So you have to bring it back to normal form. The result is 1 1 1 0 minus 1. This is the 1's complement. Now it converted to the original number 0 0 1 0 and negative sign. So that means 5 minus 7 is minus 2. This is minus 2 only. So this way we can do addition and subtraction. Subtraction is done directly as well as with 1's complement and with using 2's complement. Let's say multiplication. Now, binary multiplication and division is similar to decimal multiplication and division. In digital circuits, multiplication is done by repeated additions and division is done by repeated subtraction. See, in our normal life also, in decimal number system, we can always get multiplication by repeating the additions. For example, 2 into 3 multiplication is 6. So if you don't know multiplication, if you don't know the table, you keep on adding the numbers. So 3 times you have to add 2. That means 2 plus 2 plus 2 will become 6. So in decimal number system also, multiplication can be replaced by repeated addition. And subtraction by repeated division can be done by repeated subtraction. Okay, this is the end of this chapter 1. If you have any query, you can always phone me at this number. Or I suggest you go through the books. There are solved examples are there, solved problems are there. You see that solved problems. If you don't understand, talk to me. After the solved problems, there are questions. I suggest you try these questions to understand it better. Otherwise, I am going to give you set of questions very shortly after my next session. Okay, thank you very much. Take care. Bye.